Can I buy a Samsung TV remote? Yes, Samsung TV remotes are available for purchase, and you can buy a replacement or universal remote for your Samsung TV from official stores, online retailers, and electronics shops. Whether you need an original Samsung remote, a universal remote, or a smart remote with voice control, there are multiple options to choose from. 1. Where to buy a Samsung TV remote? You can purchase a Samsung TV remote from Samsung official store, buy an original Samsung remote directly from Samsung's website or authorized dealers. Online marketplaces, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, eBay, and Target offer genuine Samsung remotes and universal remotes. Electronics and appliance stores, retailers like Best Buy, Costco, and Home Depot sell replacement Samsung remotes. Samsung customer support. If your remote is lost or broken, contact Samsung support to find a compatible replacement. Second, types of Samsung TV remotes. Depending on your TV model and features, you can choose from original Samsung remote, an exact replacement for your specific Samsung TV model. Samsung Smart Remote, one remote, works with Samsung Smart TVs, featuring voice control, Bluetooth, and app shortcuts. Universal Remote, a third-party remote pre-programmed or customizable for Samsung TVs. Replacement Infrared, IR, remote, simple infrared remotes that work with most Samsung TVs without pairing. 3. How to pair a Samsung remote with your TV. If your new Samsung remote is not working, follow these steps to pair it. Turn on your Samsung TV. Point the remote at the TV's IR sensor. Press and hold the return plus play pause buttons for 5 seconds. For smart remotes, wait for the TV to detect and pair the remote. For universal remotes, check the user manual for Samsung TV pairing codes or use the auto-programming feature. Fourth, alternative options. If you can't find a Samsung remote. If a replacement remote isn't available, you can use the Samsung SmartThings app on Android or iOS to control your TV via your smartphone. Buy a universal remote compatible with Samsung TVs. Use a streaming device remote if using Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. You can easily buy a replacement Samsung TV remote from Samsung's official store, online marketplaces, and electronics retailers. Whether you need an original, universal, or smart remote, there are multiple options available to control your Samsung TV seamlessly.